like I said, we'll be doing how to upload a new channel or how to create an extra channel. Now I already have 3 channels here, so if you come to this normal YouTube and you come at the bottom, this is the home page. If you click on this button here, it will show you, it will bring you to this place. This button you are seeing my picture. Then if you come here, if you click on switch account, where you are seeing switch account, that means you don't have any channel at all. It will show you create channel. You see I already have 3 channels. Cojes Yans, Cojes Tech Boost, and then Cojes Edu. So the problem now is that I cannot create a new channel on this account, this cojes@gmail.com. So if I come to a new, like now, these are other emails associated with my account. Let me use that of my wife. This one, okay. See, you see no channel here. When you see Okoje, so let me open this one now. Now, once I come here now, you see it will show me this, and then I can now come here. When I come here now, I click on this circle here because what it took me to was the home page. You see create channel at the top here, so I can create a channel. So if I click on create channel now, it will open this place for me. I can put my logo, channel logo. I don't want to create a new one. I can put my channel logo. I'll put the name and then the handle. So whatever name you put, if I call this channel now, let me say okay, let me call it GC Stores. Let's say I call her GC Stores. Yeah, she has a business called GC Stores. So let me say GC Stores. Okay, so I have GC Stores now. I will now click on save. So automatically it's going to change the handle to GC Stores. So you see, but I can still change my handle if I want to change my handle. So let me see if I can see any of any picture. So you usually come and select from your gallery. It's difficult to get this. Okay, so let's say this is her picture. So let me put this her picture now. Okay, so let me put this, and then I'll say save picture. So with this now, I've created a logo. Then I haven't done that. I'll just say create channel. So that's how to create a channel. It's very simple. But for those of us who already have a channel, now that I've created a channel for her now, if I now come back here now and you see her channel is already showing, okay, the channel has not shown. So if I come here, okay, UC Stores is now showing. You see now it's now showing view channel. You see there's no way to say create channel again. So it means that if you already have a channel, you cannot create another channel from your YouTube app. The only way you can create a new channel in your YouTube is when you go to your YouTube browser. So if you go to your YouTube on your browser, let me come here. The network is very slow and it's so irritating. Oh God. Okay, so let's come here. Channel. Why is everything scattered? Okay, let's come here. I don't even know which one this one is. I'm just opening any random one. So for those of us who already have a channel, the only way you can create a channel is to come to your YouTube page, not the studio. YouTube page. Let me see. I think this one should be YouTube. Yeah. So if I come here now, I'll just I'll allow it load. These 3 dots you are seeing at the top. The network is very horrible. You need that full network here. You see these 3 lines here now. You click on it. I'll click on it again now. Once I click on it, it will load. Then I'll come to settings at the bottom part. So when I click on settings, so now that I've clicked on settings, you see if I zoom this thing now, you see in that place there you can see add channel status and features, create a new channel. So for those of us who already have channels, this is the only way you can create channels. So you go to your YouTube on your web, you click on those 3 menu signs, you now go to settings. Under settings, you now see YouTube this information, and then you now click on create a new channel. So that's how to create an additional channel if you already have a channel. The network is very bad, so I will end the video here. Thank you.